Welcome to our in-depth review of Gain Capital. If you're looking to learn about a reputable broker, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you've come to the right place. Gain Capital has built a strong reputation by offering a broad range of trading instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, and more. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this broker, focusing on its platform, customer support, and overall services. Let's start with the key advantages of Gain Capital. The broker provides a user-friendly trading platform that includes advanced charting tools and a wide selection of assets. This makes it an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned traders. Another major advantage is the platform's ability to integrate with automated trading strategies, which can help you replicate the trades of successful traders in real time. However, like any broker, Gain Capital has its downsides. Some users report that the fee structure can be a bit high, especially for certain asset classes. Additionally, while the platform is packed with features, it may feel a bit overwhelming for beginners who are still getting accustomed to trading. Despite these drawbacks, the broker's strong market access and research tools make it a reliable option for many. Now, let's address a common problem in trading: constantly having to track market trends and reacting to volatile price movements. This is where modern brokers like PrimeXBE come in. PrimeXBE allows you to copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies. It's an effortless way to step up your trading game. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades right away. Back to Gain Capital, the brokerage is well known for its diverse range of educational resources, which can be extremely beneficial for traders wanting to learn the ins and outs of the financial markets. The platform provides access to real-time market data, research reports, and webinars, all of which are designed to support informed trading decisions. When it comes to costs, Gain Capital's fee structure is competitive, though it may not be the cheapest option in the market. The broker offers tight spreads on Forex trading, but fees may vary depending on the type of account and asset class you're trading. Make sure to carefully review the specific costs associated with your chosen markets before diving in. Gain Capital also stands out with its customer service. Offering 24/5 support via phone, email, and live chat, the broker ensures that help is always available when you need it. This level of support is crucial, especially for new traders who may have more questions as they navigate the platform. Is Gain Capital the right broker for you? If you value a solid trading platform with a wide range of markets and strong support, it's definitely worth considering. However, be mindful of the fee structure, especially if you're a more casual trader. In the end, choosing the right broker depends on your personal trading goals and experience level. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.